let's start with our English class. So children, we have already completed the comprehension part of the lesson Why Do Bees Buzz? Now today we are going to deal with the new words and the language structure of this lesson. These are the new words that have been given in your book. Now children, you are going to note down these word meanings in your English Reader Notebook. Clear? After that, you will move on to language structure on page number 31. In section A, you have to write the antonyms of the following words from the help box. Now children, antonyms means opposites. Yes, means the words that has been numbered from 1 to 10. You have to write the antonyms of these words with the help of the words that has been given in the help box. Clear? Number 1, silent. Now children, you have to choose the correct antonym from this box. So it will be noisy. Then we have clever. So the opposite of clever will be foolish. Now children, I am providing you the answers of this section A. But you should try on your own first. This is a very easy exercise. So you will first do it, then you will check whether your answers are correct or not with the answer key that I am providing. Clear? Now children, next exercise. Exercise B. Sound words. Now children, you have read in this chapter about the sound buzz. The word itself describes the sound that bees make. Similarly, rustle, leaves rustle. The word rustle, from this word we can feel what type of sound the leaves make. Thunder, claps, snakes, hiss. So the words that itself exhibits the sound that is created, then it is called sound words. Clear children? Now in this exercise, you have to identify the sounds of the following objects and you have to fill in the blanks. They have given options to you. What are the objects that have given us? Fire, number 2 guns, number 3 wings, number 4 drums and number 5 shorts. Now you have to choose the correct option from the box. Fire, it will be crackles, right? So children, in this way you will complete this exercise also. So children, you will complete the language structure, both exercise A and B, in the reader book with pencil. So your homework for today is to write down the new words in the reader notebook and to complete the language structure, both exercise A and B, in the reader book. Thank you.